Hey, to change keyboard theme on the Redmi A3, first of all, you have to open the settings. Right now, you will actually start from this one, from the main settings page. And you will have to scroll down all the way down, select System Settings. From this, go into the keyboard, select On-Screen Keyboard, and select Gboard. Right now, we have to go into the keyboard theme. And now you can pick the different theme by selecting one of the following presets. You can also find the landscapes that you can actually download, the light and the dark gradients. And when you click on this plus, you can also pick your own photo from the gallery, so you can actually get this custom theme. You have to click done, and from this you can also adjust the brightness level of your keyboard. And after this you have to click done one more time and click apply to confirm. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.